Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact Binance Support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So at the bottom, as you can see, we have some tabs. We have the markets, Square. We have the buy, sell, convert, and deposit. We also have the discover and the portfolio tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact Binance Support. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. Basically, you need to go and click to the top left corner. And there, as you can see, you have a lot of options. You have the Web3 wallet, deposit, convert, referral, rewards hub, and the support. What you need to do, of course, is click on the support button. Now when you click, here you have three options: the help center, system feedback, product feedback, and suggestions. You just need to go and choose what you need. For instance, let's go help center. And here you can go and search for any question that you have or go and talk to them live. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.